Hi! In front of me is laptop Yoga Smart Tab YT-705X, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by locating Sound Recorder app and clicking on it. Now you need to tap on this red button on the right and tap on Allow in the pop-up. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same big button. If you wish to end and save your recording, click on this square below the main one and then name it however you wish to. Finally, select Save at the bottom right corner of Save Recording pop-up. As you can see, my recording is over here. If you wish to access list of your recordings from the main screen, click on this button with 3 lines. To play your recording, tap on it. And in order to delete it, hold it and tap on bin icon at the top right corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!